Hi, this is Pat, and in this video we're going to take a look at an alternative way of putting schedules on a site. In this example, we see that a schedule has been entered using a table, and tables kind of cause problems as people look at them on different devices, and sometimes they can be hard to update. We're going to move that table to an ordered list, which is a much easier way to edit the information, and visually it's really pretty straightforward for people to find their respective roles. They just look for the date and then find their name in their role. So how do we do that? Well, the first thing we're going to do is go to the page where we can simply copy and paste this template to create new lists when we need to add or update these. So the way of creating a new one is just to copy all of the text and then place the cursor where you'd like the new text to appear and paste it. And in this example, I'm using the horizontal ruler, a horizontal line, to create a separation between the different lists, just to give it a little visual style. All right, so then the next step is just to take our template and update our content with the new information. So for instance, if we wanted to add the May 17th lector, we'll just go up here and we'll delete that and type May 17, Easter 3, and then we're going to copy and paste that text into the new area that it belongs. So let's say here, and then for our 1030 lector, and when we're copying, we're going to want to be careful just to get the text that we want. We'll see some examples here in a minute where we're working with multiple fields where it can be a little trickier. All right, so our chalice bearer, and there is no second chalice bearer. Okay, Tyler is going to be bird verger, acolyte. There we are, right there. So we'll paste that. This is a good example. So we're going to copy these two, and we're going to bring them over into the usher area. And when we paste those in, we see they come up on different lines. That's okay. We can just move our cursor there and use our delete button and our backspace buttons to reorder that information. Let's see that one more time. I'm going to copy this group and I'm going to put them in the altar guild area, and then I'm going to move my cursor and delete and put commas just to rework that text just the way we like. All right, we've got a couple more for this list. Let's just add the greeters, and the same thing, we just want to bring that all up onto one line and add a comma between their names. And lastly, the vestry on duty. Let's add that and do a delete. Let's get this. There we go. I'm just trying to backspace through there. There we are. So if we wanted to add another, we can just put our cursor at the end and hit return, and that will bring that where we want it. If we wanted to indent that further to create some separation, we could do that. Or we can outdent to create another list. So maybe there's a noon service or a brunch that have some assignments. All right, so that is working with lists. Thanks.